Okay, next we're going to complete the SNORK activity. In the SNORK activity, we're kind of putting together everything that we've learned so far. We're going to go through transcription from DNA to mRNA, and then we're going to use our codons sort of, to find an amino acid sequence. It's just going to be a SNORK codon table, and then we're going to determine which trait those codons, which trait that DNA strand was coding for. We're going to start with our transcription. We're going to transcribe our mRNA from our DNA. So we have AAC, GGT, TAT. And when I start typing, I can't see them anymore, so I've got to try to remember those. So A will go to this RNA, so A is going to go to U. C is going to go to G. C is going to go to G. G is going to go to C. G is going to go to C. T is going to go to A. T is going to go to A. A is going to go to U. And T is going to go to A. So that's our mRNA sequence. That was transcription. And now we're going to figure out what amino acids in our SNORK world that's going to become. So UGG. We're going to look at our SNORK page over here. UGG is UGG is going to be amino acid number 20. So number 20, UGG 20. So we'll go back over here, and it's amino acid 20. And then we have our mRNA. Next is going to be CCA. So let's go back over here. And we've got to find CCA. So let's scroll down. We see the CCA. And the CCA. CCA is the codon for amino acid number 12. So we'll come back over here and put 12. And then our next codon is mRNA. Always check this codon UAU. So AUA is what we're going to be looking for. We're going to look for AUA. So we're going to come over here and find AUA. AUA, and it's right there. It codes for amino acid number 13. So we'll go back over here, put 13. Right there. So our amino acid sequence is 20, 12, 13. And then we want to figure out what trait that's coding for. So we're going to go back over here. 20, 12, 13 is what we're looking for. There's 20, there's 12, 13. There's our amino acid sequence. And in SNORKs, this amino acid sequence codes for the trait of being hairy. So I guess it's making a protein that makes SNORKs hairy. So our SNORK is going to be hairy. That's one trait we know. And that's how you're going to do the rest of them. You're just going to go through, you're going to transcribe your DNA to mRNA. And then you're going to use our SNORK codon table to find the amino acid sequence. And then based on that amino acid sequence, you're going to find the traits. You're going to do that. Then when you get all of your traits for your SNORK, then you're going to draw and color it. And you can make a picture and turn it in that way. Make a picture and submit it to us. Make sure you attach and turn in this page right here. And then your SNORK picture as well. You can snap a picture with your Chromebook or with your phone, either one, and send it to us. Attach it to that assignment there. And that's it. Finish up those SNORKs. SNORKs are really cool. So finish that up. You have, I believe it's 6 different traits to find there. There's a trait or two that's not covered on there that you can just come up with. But make sure you do these traits that are covered here. And then, according to this, whatever your traits come out to be is how you're going to draw your SNORK. So we know he's hairy, so you're not going to draw a hairless SNORK. You're going to draw a hairy SNORK. And then whatever other traits. I don't know, his fur color, eye color, how many legs, and those kind of things. So get all those traits and then draw a snork that looks like those traits. And it's pretty fun. Make sure you turn that in.